10th Standard Social Science, Geography Unit 8, India, Mineral and Power Resources. In this video, let us see important multiple choice questions from this lesson. The process of extracting minerals from the earth is called industry, agriculture, mining, mineral. Correct answer is option C, mining. A ferrous metallic mineral is bauxite, manganese, mica, iron ore. Correct answer is option D, iron ore. The largest producer of iron ore in India is Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal. Correct answer is option B, Odisha. The largest producer of iron ore in the world is USA, Brazil, India, China. Correct answer is option C, India. The most important ferroalloy metal is iron ore, manganese, bauxite, mica. Correct answer is option B, manganese. The largest possessor and producer of manganese ore in India is Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Odisha. Correct answer is option D, Odisha. The fifth largest producers of manganese in the world is Japan, India, UK, USA. Correct answer is option B, India. The main source of aluminium is iron ore, manganese, bauxite, mica. Correct answer is option C, bauxite. The biggest producer of bauxite ore in India is Jharkhand, Gujarat, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh. The biggest producer of bauxite ore in India is option C, Odisha. It is important non-metallic mineral. Iron ore, manganese, bauxite, mica. Correct answer is option D. Mica is an important non-metallic mineral. The second largest producer of mica in India is Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Rajasthan. Correct answer is option D, Rajasthan. The largest producer and exporter of mica in the world is Japan, India, UK, USA. Correct answer is option B, India. Recently, mica export has declined because the demand for mica is decreased. Synthetic mica is being produced in many countries. Many countries of the world are producing mica. Many countries have stopped using mica. Correct answer is option B. Synthetic mica is being produced in many countries. One among the following is an example for conventional power resources: biogas, geothermal power, coal, tidal power. Correct answer is option C. Coal is an example for conventional power resource. one among the following is an example for non-conventional power resources? Petroleum, geothermal power, coal, natural gas. Correct answer is option B, geothermal power. Geothermal power is an example for non-conventional power resource. A fuel substance of plant origin is petroleum, natural gas, coal, tidal power. Correct answer is option C, coal. It contributes to about 67% of the total energy consumed in the country. Petroleum, natural gas, coal, tidal power. Correct answer is option C, coal. The third largest producer of coal in the world is Japan, India, UK, Belgium. Correct answer is option B. India is the largest producer of coal in the world. The mineral oil, which composed of hydrocarbons, is petroleum, natural gas, coal, tidal power. Correct answer is option A, petroleum. In India, most of the petroleum reserves are found in Gujarat, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Bombay High. Correct answer is option D, Bombay High. The second leading oil producing area in India is Gujarat, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Bombay High. Correct answer is option A. Gujarat is the second leading oil producing area in India. Petroleum was first discovered in India at Digboy, Naharkatia, Makum, Rudrasagar. Correct answer is option C, Makum. India has to import a large quantity of petroleum to export to other country, use in industry, meet its requirements, use in transport. Correct answer is option C. India has to import a large quantity of petroleum to meet its requirements. The first hydroelectricity power plant in India was installed at Shimsha, Darjeeling, Mittur, Papanasam. Correct answer is option B, Darjeeling. The real generation of hydel power was started with the hydel power stations at Shivanasamudram, Shimsa, Sharavati, Linganamakki. Correct answer is option A, Shivanasamudram. The energy generated from the atomic minerals is called hydroelectricity, petroleum, nuclear power, coal. Correct answer is option C, nuclear power. The first nuclear power plant was set up at Rana Pratap Sagar, Tarapur, Kalpakam, Narora. Correct answer is option B, Tarapur. Tarapur nuclear power plant is in Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. Rana Pratap Sagar nuclear power plant is in Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. Kalpakam nuclear power plant is in Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Narora nuclear power plant is in Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Kakrapara nuclear power plant is in Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Kaiga nuclear power plant is in Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Karnataka. Correct answer is option D, Karnataka. Kundankulam nuclear power plant is in Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Kaiga nuclear power plant of Karnataka is in Udupi, Karwar, Ballari, Raichur. Correct answer is option B, Karwar. Paikara Hydel Power Generation Station is in Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Koina Hydel Power Generation Station is in Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. Idikki Hydel Power Generation Station is in Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Punjab. Correct answer is option C, Kerala. Sileru Hydel Power Generation Station is in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra. Correct answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Nagarjun Sagar Hydel Power Generation Station is in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Maharashtra. Correct answer is option C, Telangana.